Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to make this beautiful African threading hairstyle. So I'm going to start by parting the hair into small sections. I'll be using rubber for this hairstyle. You can also use yarn or wool for this hairstyle, but for this particular hairstyle I'll be using rubber. Don't know what rubber is. Rubber is one thing we use here in Nigeria for African threading hairstyles. This hairstyle will be in two parts. First of all, I'm going to thread the hair straight. I'm going to thread all our hair straight. After I'm done threading the whole hair, I'm now going to pack everything together. This hairstyle is a protective hairstyle and it also enhances hair growth. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well by subscribing, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to also turn on your post notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new hair video. So when I'm done threading the hair, I'm going to tie a knot to secure the hair from getting loose, and this is what I'm going to do to all the hair section. One thing to make sure to do when making this kind of hairstyle is try as much as possible not to make it tight. Making it tight can make the hairstyle very painful and unbearable for the person carrying it. So in as much as we want to make sure the hairstyle is neat and beautiful, we should also try not to make it tight. So here is where the real work starts. I'm going to pack the whole threaded hair together. So I'll start by picking two threaded hair and threading the two together. I'm going to thread the whole hair together to form one packing hairstyle. So I'll start by threading these two till it gets to the length of the third one of the next one. When it gets there, I'm going to add that one to the hair, thread it together till it gets to the length of the next one. Just watch carefully, you're going to get what I'm trying to explain.